Coordinating conjunctions are words that connect two equal parts of a sentence. Today, we focus on the conjunction for. This word shows reason in a formal way. It explains why something happens. For is part of the FANBOYS family of coordinating conjunctions. The conjunction for shows reason in formal English. It connects two complete ideas by explaining why the first action happened. For gives a formal explanation between two clauses. It sounds more sophisticated than everyday language. Here is the basic structure. He studied hard, for he wanted to pass the exam. The first part shows the action. The second part explains why using for. Notice how for connects the reason to the action clearly. We went on a picnic, for it was a nice day. The first clause tells what happened. For explains the reason good weather. This shows how for gives the cause in a formal way. I went to bed early, for I was feeling unwell. Again, for connects the action to its reason. Notice the formal tone. For sounds more literary than saying because. For works best in formal writing. It explains the reason or cause of an action. Use for instead of because for a more sophisticated style. Example: she left early, for she had an important meeting. Compare these two sentences. Formal: she studied late, for the exam was important. Informal: she studied late because the exam was important. For creates elegant sentence structure for writing. Remember these key points. For shows formal reason between clauses. It is more sophisticated than because. For links two complete ideas. Use it in academic and literary writing. Practice for to improve your English style.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.